Hi friends, in Python another topic is escape characters. So why do you prefer escape characters? Generally we have a string, I mean that we have a sentence. In that sentence we have another subtitle of this. For example, if you take A is equal to, that is my name is, I have to represent this type of, my name is Kotesh, like that you can take. Then you can add a double quotation, like that you can take here. Okay. From India, from India. At this moment here in the entire A variable we have this total sentence already represented in sentence. Okay. Within the sentence we have to add one more quotation of the word. At this moment we are going to use the type of escape characters to insert characters that are illegal in a string. Use an escape character. An escape character is a backslash, this is actual backslash followed by a character you want to insert. Okay. So for example, you are taking this type of example. If you write print of A, you will get error. Why? Because in the same sentence you are unable to give double quotations in many times. That problem is avoided with the help of this example. Is here same example, simply you can write A is equal to my name is. Okay. So before that you have to use backslash and then you can write quotation and double quotation and then you can add, sorry, this is actual backslash, then you can start. So based on this expression you can from India. Okay, then you can represent that type of symbols are here, for a backslash with single quotation, that is actual single quotes, and double quotes, that is actual backslash. Okay, then you can take a backslash and n to enter the new line, backslash and r carriage return, backslash and t for tab purpose, backslash and b, that is actual backspace. Okay, then you can write the print of A, you will get the result is, you will get that result for this expression is, you will get that is my name is in double quotation, you are getting this quotation from India. This is the actual representation of escape characters. Okay. Thank you. Now the same example we are going to implement on Python. So simply I am considering this. First of all I am considering that my example is here. A is equal to mega city. Okay, we are using that double quotation within the city name. Delhi is a famous city. This is my example. So what is the definition of this? Here this is a single quotation or double quotation. After execution of this I am writing that print of A. Okay, here that single quotation or double quotation is represented for single quotes. So like that you can able to execute the same expression here. So that is mega city Delhi is a famous city, like that. For example, if you take that double slash, the double backslash, and here this is also backslash. After execution of that you will get this mega city backslash Delhi backslash is a famous city, like that you can have this. And another one is, if you take that backslash n, that is called as here new line. So up to this that is one line, another rest of the words are another line. So simply it can be written as, the first one is mega city backslash Delhi and the second line is a famous city, that is for new line. Next one is r After execution of this, rest of the words, here is a famous city, that will be displayed in this, is a famous city. And next, if you take the T, is a tab. Next, execution of this. So it requires one tab, that is called as one spaces in between that. So that's why we have the gap in between this. Next one is B. So what is the meaning of this? B is nothing but backspace. So you can remove the I word, then only you will get this. So this is the example for Python escape characters. Thank you.